Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these Maggi sandwiches. So for making these sandwiches I'm using some Maggi and some veggies. So please try this recipe, and if you like this recipe please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it. You can follow me on Twitter also, you can like my Facebook page also, and you can directly download my app to directly access to my channel. Link is given in description. Please watch
Making this Maggi sandwiches, I have taken some Maggi. So this is overcooked Maggi. I have taken tomato ketchup, some chopped onions and coriander, and here some breads. So firstly I apply sauce to these two breads. I'm taking this sauce and applying it to the sandwiches. And then spreading this to all the surface. Now I'm adding this Maggi like this. This is overcooked Maggi. It is cooked after adding some extra water in the Maggi, and I have used some egg also. So I have used one egg in this while making it. And now I will put it here and at the last here. So I will use this also. So again I have made this to this complete surface. You can see that here. You can put it, and you need to add some onions and some fresh coriander leaves. Similarly here also some onions. Now I will show you how to make this and add the last. Similarly I will make the second one. Now you can see that I have made this from 3 breads and like press it once, and now I have preheated this sandwich maker and I am adding some ghee over it. So firstly I'm applying some ghee here and some to my breads here, and again to the second one. Now I will cook it until my red light will appear. Until they are cooking I will make the another sandwiches also. Now these are cooked. You can see that they looks very tasty and yummy. So I'm serving it in this plate. You can see that they looks very delicious. So I'm cooking my another sandwiches here that I have prepared. Again the similar way that I have cooked it before. And now I will prepare these. So before preparing these I need to cut down from its center like this. Now you can see that they looks tasty and delicious after cutting also. So guys, if you please try this recipe, and if you like this recipe please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it guys. And follow me on Twitter also, you can like my Facebook page also guys. Thanks for watching it. You can download my app also. The link is given in description. So please download that app also. I will serve it with some tomato sauce, and you can serve it with some mayonnaise also. Please download my app and do my channel subscribe guys. You can see that it's very yummy and tasty. Please try this recipe.